Introducing Cursor, the AI code editor designed to boost your productivity. It understands your code base and offers the best solutions with a single click. Experience seamless coding with Cursor's predictive editing feature. Write code using natural language prompts for a more intuitive approach. Cursor is familiar, allowing you to import your extensions, themes, and key bindings effortlessly. Privacy is a priority with a privacy mode that ensures your code isn't stored. You can also bring your own API key for added security. Trusted by developers worldwide, Cursor has transformed the coding experience. Testimonials from industry professionals praise its efficiency and ease of use. Switching from other editors is a breeze, and you'll enjoy AI-powered coding capabilities. Try Cursor and join the revolution in coding productivity.